Hey everyone, Kevin from Robertson's Power and Sports. Wanted to share with you today a build that we just wrapped up here. This is a 2021 CAN-AM Defender DPS HD8. Awesome machine. This one here is all decked out, getting ready for fall. This customer here is going to be using it for hunting. So let's take a walk around. Let's show you what we added. All right, so on this Defender here, this customer chose to add some awesome accessories, especially if you're going to be using this machine in the fall, winter, cold temperatures. Went ahead and added a full glass windshield with the wiper kit. This windshield will flip all the way out, and it also has another position where it just barely opens, just a crack to get you some airflow in here. We've also added a roof to it. Coming around the side, I really like the CAN-AM soft full doors. They're super nice. They don't add a lot of weight to the machine. They don't change the width of the machine either. You know, you can see on some of the Defenders that have the hard doors in them, they do stick out a little bit. These all sit nice and flush. The other nice thing with the soft doors is that the window will roll down, so you can still get some air in there, and it's super, super easy. Basically, there's just a strap right here that holds the window. Undo that strap, it'll fold up, and just two zippers here on the inside make it real easy, and you're all done right there. The nice thing with that is if you're out riding and you get into a dusty situation, it starts raining, you can get this thing closed up real quick. It's not really that hard. And these doors do come off fairly easy too, so if you wanted to just take them off for the summertime while you're out riding, that's not a problem either, okay? The other thing that we've added on this one here is this sliding rear glass window. Again, just to be able to make some airflow through here. Really nice setup. Can't really go wrong with any of these accessories. Like I said, if you're gonna be using this thing in the fall, winter time, really make good use of your money. You have a machine that you can go out and trail ride, and you can get a lot of work done with a Defender too. So in my opinion, this is the ultimate side-by-side, or the Swiss Army knife of side-by-sides that you can do a little bit of everything with and still be happy with it. So some awesome accessories that this guy's added. Also, we'll move inside. I'll show you that this one is equipped with a full heat system in it. All right, so a little while ago, we talked about the glass flip windshield and a couple different of the positions that it has. So just right here in the center, there's a little lever. You just flip this up, move it forward a little bit, and you can flip the lever back down, and that's the open position, just to get enough to get a little bit of airflow in here. Or if you choose to, this is all on gas assisted, let it go, it'll go wide open. That'll really get you a lot of airflow through here. I will caution that if you use the machine, you're riding down a trail with the window in this position, make sure if you get into a real rough section where the machine is really flexing an awful lot, go ahead and close that machine down just to protect the windshield as far as the chassis flexing. We haven't had any issues with this machine, with this windshield breaking, but it's one of those things where you just got to kind of use common sense with it. You get into real rough situations. Let's just be proactive with it and go ahead and just pull it down. Just reach up, grab the handle, pull it down, lock it, and then when you get back into some trails that's a little bit smoother for you, go ahead and open it back up, okay? As we also mentioned, this does have a wiper kit on it, so with a washer. So everything is integrated right up here. Go ahead and push the button, wiper will come on, hold it down, it'll squirt so you can clean your windshield with it. And the nice thing with this being glass is it's not going to scratch super easily, okay? Also, we went ahead and added a rear view mirror, panoramic rear view mirror. Gives you a great visibility out the back of the machine, a must have. Otherwise, you're constantly gonna find yourself looking over your shoulder. At the end of the day, that equals a strained neck, no good, okay? Rear sliding window, really like this accessory. Just like a pickup truck, just a little latch, closes it up, and get some good airflow through this machine. The other thing that we've added, we talked about, is the heat kit, okay? Works very well. This is a new system for this year, being a 21 Defender. They've made some changes. I really like how they give you some storage space right in here, where the old kits, it wasn't like that. You also get in a couple cup holders right here. controls for your heater are right here. Got 4 vents across the front, you got some on the floor, and then we also have a defrost control right up here. So that way there, you know, you can turn that defrost on and off as needed, okay? All right, so that's a wrap for this one here. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate your support. If you see anything on this machine that you'd like to add to yours, feel free to give us a call. We'd be more than happy to build a machine for you. 207-324-5502. Visit us online at robertsonspower.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.